discussing right now. You see, whom would you expect? You had a good session on patent also. Whom would you expect that patent should be for India for basmati rice? Whom would you get the patent for basmati rice? India didn't claim for. And what happened? Malaysia got the basmati rice. Recent event, 1992, one American scientist claimed that turmeric, the medicinal quality of turmeric, is his invention and filed patent, got patent also. Now you see, for 8 years India had to fight to establish that turmeric is originally Indian. This is a problem. And that's why so many things exported outside and you got it as Pythagoras geometry. Whatever you have got as Pythagoras geometry is originally of Indian, especially reference to the Rigveda, and with the medicinal properties of things, Ayurveda is still used in so many families of India. Please remember that. So what happens? We are not very much aware about documentation. So that's why some other countries get the valid record of it. I would be just referring to a riddle. So what was the riddle in Macbeth? Someone was telling about. You try to solve the riddle. One riddle was there that Macbeth